So one thing that I've been teaching recently, with the market shift is I don't know if you've heard of this term before, Daniel, but it's reverse wholesaling. It's basically where you, instead of going to find the deal and then finding a buyer later, you already have the buyers in place and you know
Yep.
what they want. So then you just go, you find it and you just bring it to them. So that's kind of like what I tell people that are brand new. It's like, hey, instead of going out there and just guessing, like you have
Yeah.
a good idea because you were flipping. So you kind of knew what people wanted, right?
Yeah.
That idea. Some people are brand new, they don't really know. So like, for example, if someone was to go to you and be like, hey, Daniel, if I brought you a deal, what would it look like? I mean, you literally be able to say, hey, if you bring me this, I'll buy it, right?
Yeah.
That's what
I'll
I
I'll
tell new people to do.
I'll tell you, maybe take it one step further. One thing that I've done with wholesalers before that operate in my area, we kind of had that same conversation. They look like, hey, what are you buying? What does it look like for you if I bring you a deal? But then I'll
Mhm.
also tell them, hey, here's this pocket, go knock doors, go do whatever. Like this is literally the two,
That's
three,
it.
four blocks that I want to buy in. Go like this, you don't have to guess. I'm literally pointing the street names to you. Go,
That's what I'm saying,
skip
bro.
go skip trace these neighborhoods, this specific street to this. I mean, I live in Indian Hills. You know that area. For anybody
Yeah,
that's
Indian
like
Hills.
a
Buddy lives there.
yeah, it's like a golf course community. It's a lot of
You
older
you know that?
homes.
Do you know the Hesters? Ross
The Hester
Hester?
group. Yeah. Matt Hester.
Yeah, so he lives in your neighborhood. I went to school with the Ross.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
They're big around here. So
Yeah.
I literally will tell wholesalers or like anybody else that wants to bird dog for me. I say, listen, these are the areas I want. I literally will either tear the house down or renovate it, or I'll figure out what it's worth and I'll sell it to somebody else who will tear it down or renovate it. So
Right.
I'll take it one step further, and instead of them just saying like, "Hey, I'll bring you a random deal if I know what you like," I'll say this specific area, Walton School District, Indian Hills. Look for these brick ranches that I can renovate. Go and
Oh,
bring me a deal. So I love that. Let's take it one step further.
yes.